In this video, I will show you exactly how you can set up WooCommerce on WordPress. There are a few steps that you need to follow if you want to set up WooCommerce on your WordPress. First of all, make sure that you are logged in to your WordPress account. Once you are logged in, go to the plugin section and click on Add New. Type WooCommerce, and you will see the plugin pop up. Click on Install Now, and after installing, click on Activate to activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, we need to set up WooCommerce. Once you open WooCommerce, you will see there are 5 steps to fulfill in order to set it up. The first step is store details. Provide the details about your store, such as the country, region, address, postal code, city, and email address. After providing this information, click Continue and then click Count Me In. You will then move to the Industry section. Select the industry of the products you want to sell. For example, if you want to go with health and beauty, select that option. After choosing your industry, you will move on to the Product Types section. Here, you need to specify whether you are selling physical or digital products. I will select physical products. Next, provide your business details. Specify how many products you plan to display and whether you are currently selling elsewhere. After selecting these options, click Continue, and you will move to the Free Features section. Decide if you want to add any recommended business features to your site, then click Continue. After that, move on to the Business Details section. Provide the necessary business information, then proceed to the Themes section. Choose a theme for your store. If you have a premium theme, you can install it later. For now, I will continue with my active theme. Next, configure the general settings of WooCommerce. Fill out any details that were not completed in the previous step, such as the store address, country, and postal code. Configure your selling location and shipping location, selecting all countries if you want to sell globally. Enable the use of coupon codes and choose your currency. For example, I will use United States dollars with the currency position set to the right. Finally, configure the basic product settings. Set up the inventory, downloadable products, and product dimensions. For a physical product, specify the weight unit, for example, kg, and the dimension unit, for example, cm. After fulfilling all these details, your WooCommerce store will be set up and you will be ready to start selling. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.